May pupo ako.
Tama na. Hintay mo lang.
May pupo ako, Carter.
Ah, pipi. Mag-fight ka na.
This is scared.
Character.
Bam!
What character are you?
I will choose.
Deadly Ninja?
No. This guy. I love this. Come on. I need to die. Let's go. I'm done. Hey! Who wants to copy my character? Oh. This character is so overpowered. I told you. Look at this. And I go over and so cool. I'll grab this. Watch. Ah! Bro, you want to fight? I 1v1. Bro, I know. I already know your ass, bro. Where's the bro? Come on, bro. Bam, bam. Sapak mo. Sapak mo ako. Ah, sabak. Pak. Halika dito.
Sarado mo, sarado mo.
Ah,
Sarado mo muna.
Hey! I die, okay? Ow, 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 I already died. I'm going.
Tignan natin.
You know, I kill a people.
No! Paano si Mamita hindi kayo maka-tablet?
Huh?
Paano si...
Bro, he just leave. That guy leave because he's scared. Oh, I did. Oh, bro.
Oh, there's a KJ. KJ's there. KJ's there. KJ's there. KJ's there.
Bro, I want to beat up that. That's not the real KJ. I know that guy. Ah! Oh, he's the... Bro, baby, he's the real KJ. Oh, you never hit me. Holy crap. In your back. Ow. How that guy doing that?
Wag!
KJ is
Ito,
so...
tignan mo.
That KJ is better than that KJ. The normal KJ is not better than this KJ. I will put everyone to timeout.
Mukha kang Johnny. Diba, Lexus? No! Play it! Para mukha kang Johnny.
Bro, let's go 1v1. 1v1.
Defeat the guy.
Bro, baseball bat. Come on, bro. Pop. Pop. I'm ready to fight. Yo, bro. Fight like your mom, bro. Bro. Really? That's her god. Bro, that bro didn't fight me. Pop. Sorry.
Lumayo ka. Kasi lalabang ka. This is your last minute.
Pop. Pop. I need to go Super Saiyan. Punch. Punch. I will punch you. Come on. Punch. Punch. Ow. Oh, come on, dear boy. What the fuck? Okay. Go that guy. He's powerful.